some human hair from my good friends over there at Nadula Hair. Nadula has definitely made the cut. If you look in that description box, you will see a direct link to all their socials as well as the details on this wig. Let's look at this wig. I'm just gonna read directly off the sticker because like I said, I can't remember what I ordered, but looking at the description box. This is a 13x4 pre-everything. Yes, God. Wig, it is water wave and it is 24 inches long. The reason why I love a pre-everything wig is because I cannot comb hair. I love hair. I have so many wigs. I wear wigs all the time, but under this, y'all know I'm bald really because I hate combing hair. So when I get a wig like this from Nadula with everything pre-done, I don't have to glue anything, I don't have to color anything, I don't have to cut anything, I don't have to curl anything. It's right up. They have also included with this wig, which makes it extra special to me, these glue tabs, y'all. Game changer for me because I hate combs. Sometimes combs will dig into the side of my head, but I have to wear them because I need the wig secure on my head. These glue tabs that Nadula has begun to put in their wigs are amazing, and they also give you like packs and packs and packs and packs for you to use. Not only do they do the glue tabs, they also include this band that makes the unit glueless on you. Before I attach that band, let's look. You get that 13x4 parting space. You get glue tab, get a comb in the back, adjustable straps, and you get this band of, it's not sticky to touch, but it's adhesion. It makes it lay down to the back of your head. They've also included this glueless band that is adjustable, so the wig will definitely feel comfortable on your head because you just adjust the wig to whatever feels good to you. They have included this glueless band for us to insert into these slots to make the wig glueless, okay? The band itself also has that adhesion, but it's not sticky to touch, to make the wig lay flush to your head. What I wanna do is adjust this to my head before I take off these tabs or do any of that. Put it on my head so you can see what the wig looks like right out of the back.
You don't know, baby, 'cause when you hold me and kiss me slowly, it's the sweetest thing, yeah. And it don't change if I had it my way, 'cause you would know that you are. Oh, you're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. Oh, I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow, no matter how far. If life is a movie, oh, you're the best part. Ha, 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 ha. She's fun too, but I want you.
Alright guys, so I'm making my final thoughts on this wig, and I know that was really quick, but that's how awesome Nadula makes these wigs, y'all. Like I always say, I love wearing wigs, but I am not a wig slayer. So when I can get a wig that looks like this and I don't have to do anything to it, everything's already been done for me, I am 1010% excited, and this wig has done just that. The density on this is nice. Of course, no shedding, no tangling. You might be saying, Jess, you just took it out of the pack, but we have gotten human hair where it's shedded straight out of the pack, right? No shedding, no tangling. All I did was spray some water and leave-in conditioner on it, and this is what we got. I think that this is super, super cute. Now keep in mind that this is 24 inches. Here's my belly button, and it falls right above my belly button stretched on me. So if 24 is too long for you, look how cute that would be at this length. Ooh. And y'all think about if it's not long enough, okay, you want to be sitting on your hair, you can do that as well over there at Nadula Hair. In that description box, you'll see a direct link as well as all the details. I 1010% recommend this one, y'all. Until next time, which will be very soon. Bye. Nadula.